How to uninstall apps on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Access the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub, where you can access all installed apps and settings. Step number 2. Go to the Apps section. Using the arrow keys on your remote, navigate to the Apps option in the Smart Hub menu and press Enter. Step number 3. Open Settings in the Apps section. Once in the Apps section, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cog icon, in the top right corner of the screen. Select it to open App Management settings. Step number 4. Select the app you want to uninstall. In the App Management menu, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your TV. Scroll through to find the app that you want to uninstall. Step number 5. Uninstall the app. Highlight the app you want to remove. Then, press and hold the Enter button on your remote until a menu appears. Select Delete or Uninstall from the options. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Select Yes to confirm the deletion. Note, some pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Samsung TV Plus may not have the option to be uninstalled. These are typically essential or default apps that come with a TV. Step number 6. Return to the home screen. Once the app is uninstalled, you can exit the Apps menu and return to the home screen.